Hey boys and girls, welcome to our mini grammar lesson. So today we're going to continue talking about verb tenses, and you guys have these notes in your copybook, printed or copied, I hope, in the grammar section, of course. So what are the three verb tenses? We have past, present, and future. And this week we're just going to be focusing on simple tenses, okay? So let's look in the middle. Today we're going to be working on present tense, and then later in the week we're going to do past and then future. So we're just going to go through the three of them today. Present tense means it's happening now. It's happening in the present, okay? So present time, it's how we speak right now. So words like listen, walk, talk, look, eat, sleep, sit, run, okay? I eat dinner every day. I do my homework all the time, okay? It's when you're speaking in present tense. Past tense means it already happened, and in simple, regular verbs, you're just adding ed, okay? I walked yesterday. I listened to my parents. I did my homework yesterday. Future tense means that it's happening in the future, so it will happen. So I will listen to your video when it's due. I will talk when it is my turn. Okay, so it's very important that you understand past, present, and future tenses. And this should be a little bit of a review. So today what you're going to do is an activity working with present tense verbs, but it's actually a little bit different than we've ever done before. So you're going to go to your Google Classroom. Okay, you're going to go to classwork and you're going to see a worksheet, and it's called present tense activity. You're going to press the activity, of course, and you're going to go to it. Your name's going to pop up, and it's a worksheet. What you will find in this worksheet is a bunch of words on the side. So let's read the directions. It says directions. Drag the correct present tense verb to the correct sentence. So as we get more familiar with Google Classroom and our online worksheets, it's really important that we read the notes at the bottom. So let's do number one together. My mom blank a fun job. What do you think to have is in the present tense? If you said has, you are correct. So I'm going to go over here and I see the word has. I'm going to drag it to the correct spot. Okay. Number two, at recess I blank soccer with my friends. If you said play, you are correct. So you're going to find the word play and you're going to move it over. Okay, so you're basically just dragging the correct form of the verb to the correct sentence. Now, number 13 says write a sentence using one of the following: to be, to have, to love, to play, to read, and to run. Make sure you conjugate it properly. Conjugate means that you're creating the verb in the correct tense. So obviously there's not a place to type here. So what I would like you to do for this is to just think about one in your head, okay? Have one ready. And then in one of our Zoom meetings, we're going to talk about it, okay? So enjoy this type of worksheet. It's kind of fun to drag. We're going to get more involved and with these interactive worksheets. That's why it's really important to read at the bottom of the page. Good luck.